has issued a flash flood warning for Hardin County, Illinois, Pope County, Illinois, Crittenden County, Kentucky, Livingston County, Kentucky, until 3:15 a.m. Thursday. At 9:09 p.m., Doppler radar indicated an area of slow-moving thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Crockett County in West Tennessee, southwestern Weakley County in West Tennessee, southeastern Dyer County in West Tennessee, Gibson County in West Tennessee, until 10 p.m. At 9:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Chestnut Bluff, or 11 miles southeast of Dyersburg, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Tucker's Corner, Dyer, Hawkinsville, Grizzard, Bradford, Gibson Wells, Good Luck, La Pata, Bonnicard, Central, Sharon, Friendship, Rutherford, Rojarvis, Curry, Brazil, Vuns Grove, Maury Junction, Barron's Corner, and Gann. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following county: Weakley, Tennessee. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for Hardin County, Illinois, Pope County, Illinois, Crittenden County, Kentucky, Livingston County, Kentucky, until 3:15 a.m. Thursday. At 9:09 p.m., Doppler radar indicated an area of slow-moving thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Marion, Calvert City, Sturgis, Reedland, Rosiclare, Salem, Golconda, Joy, Berna, Dixon Springs, Ledbetter, Fredonia, Grand Rivers, Cave and Rocks, Smithland, Elizabethtown, Eddyville, Carsville, Gross, and Carver's Ridge. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:15 a.m. Thursday for the following counties: in Illinois, Hardin and Pope, and the following counties: in Kentucky, Crittenden and Livingston. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a flash flood warning for Central Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, Lee County in eastern Arkansas, northwestern Phillips County in eastern Arkansas, southeastern St. Francis County in eastern Arkansas, northwestern DeSoto County in northwestern Mississippi, northern Tunica County in northwestern Mississippi, western Crockett County in Tennessee, eastern Dyer County in Tennessee, northwestern Fayette County in Tennessee, western Gibson County in Tennessee, northwestern Haywood County in Tennessee, Eastern Lauderdale County in Tennessee, Obion County in Tennessee, Shelby County in Tennessee, Tipton County in Tennessee, Northwestern Weakley County in Tennessee, until 12:15 a.m. At 9:10 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bartlett, South Haven, West Memphis, Horn Lake, Dyersburg, Marion, Martin, Union City, Millington, Covington, Ripley, Mariana, Hughes, Marvell, Beeman, Shelby Forest State Park, T.O. Fuller State Park, Helena, West Helena, Memphis, Lakeland, and Arlington. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Thursday for the following counties in Tennessee, Obion and Weakley. The severe thunderstorm warning